Hello all, I am Kushi and I am from Bangalore. So I opted the course Data Science from IntrnForte, and which was actually a very good one because we had a lot number of videos which gave us the detailed information about all the libraries, all the functions, etc., which I took a bit long time to understand, but it was very clear and I could understand it better. And then the very important thing which helped me was the training projects. I literally got a good clarity on what we are doing at the time of training. So then I had my own projects which is to be done, so which I completed successfully. And I would thank the entire IntrnForte team because it was a great experience for me learning in this. So thank you.